Express Flooring, the leader in new flooring for your home, is expanding our services to include concrete coating for your garage floor. This 3-layer coating process can be applied in just one day. It makes your garage look like a showroom, makes it simple to clean, and makes your garage floor exceptionally durable. How durable? Well, Express offers a lifetime application warranty and claims their coating is military grade. It's an impressive claim. But how do you prove it? Cue the tank! Yep, that's a World War II era tank. Let's see how this newly installed coated floor in our Express warehouse holds up. This has never been attempted before. We just want to see if this coating really is military grade.
All right, is everybody ready? 5, 4, 3, 2,
Wow, those tank tracks didn't leave a mark. That thing's 10 times heavier than your average vehicle. Express Garage Floor Coating. 1-day installation, 3-layer coating process, a lifetime warranty, and extremely durable. I'm talking military grade durable. 1 day, done right.